Hello, hello, hello. Nandito na yung asawa ko at magluluto ako ng kanyang spaghetti. So, naluto ko na kanina yung ground pork. So, ganyan talaga ako magluto, guys. I-boil ko muna tapos matatanggal na yung mga amoy niya dahil sa blood. So, after that ay i-mix ko na yung ating sauce. Okay, so i-prepare na natin ang ating mga ingredients. Ito para sa spaghetti ragu, spaghetti chunky garden combination sauce. Tapos, nakuha ko itong recipe na ito galing sa aking sister. So, roasted garlic parmesan sauce. I-mix ko sila para sa ating spaghetti. Okidoki. Tapos, itong linatan ko, yung pinabukal ko ba na meat, hindi pa siya natimplahan kasi wala tayong asin dito. So, nagpabili ako sa asawa ko ng asin. Yan. So, atin ang timplahan ng ating nilaga na baboy dito. Yung iodized salt, hindi ako masyadong marunong magtimpla kung gaano kadami, gaano kaliit. But, you know, my pork here, it has been like boiling for a few hours now. So, napaka-soft na niya talaga. So, yan. Ay, nako. Na sobraan pagkaluto yung vegetable. Tomato. Yeah, I'm gonna wash it first. Alam niyo naman, itong si Carpentera hindi naman maarte pag ano ka, di ba? Pag, ito nga pala yung ano ko. Hindi naman maarte pag cleanliness yung pinausapan, di ba? So, ito lang yung ating aatupagi ngayon. Gusto ko itong knife na yan kasi napaka-sharp ba? So, yan. Hugasan lang natin itong ating pepper. Hallelujah! So guys, may live ako, premiere sa aking live, first part ng video na ito, and I hope tabayanan nyo. It would be uploaded probably in a day or two. So, I hope na samahan nyo ako ha, pang-watch hour lang please. Please. So, balik tayo dito. And, yan. Atin lang itong i-cut para ay ma-mix natin doon sa ating linagang baboy. Yan. Atin na itong i-mix. Tapos, so atin na lang itong i-paboil. Tapos na. Nakalimutan ko pala ito. Ang dami kong kalat dito, but hindi ako nag-worry. Kasi yung asawa ko yung
possibly, but what do you mean gas? Are you sure?
Yeah, I thought it was gas.
When you first came in, or what?
No, while I was cooking.
Well, there's no gas coming from that stove. There's no gas lines up here, so
I know, but I smelled something.
could have been what you're cooking too.
I don't know.
Because there's no, I mean, the gas is downstairs. That's where the gas comes in. There's no gas in the so. Oh man. Let me see if I can get this.
The paint smell is very addictive. It smells good. But it's burning my eyes.
Yeah, that's.
Yan. Atin lang itong i-paboil ng ilang minutes. Then after that, kakain na tayo. For the meantime, ito na namang spaghetti ni Cory ang ating lulutuin. Yung spaghetti pababa ng pababa. Okay, atin lang itong i-drain yung water. Alright. So yan na, na-drain ko na yung ating tubig. So ang gagawin natin ngayon ay papamalahin siya. And then, gusto ko sanang tanggalin itong mga ganito. Kasi blood ito. Ayan. May smell pa talaga siya. Okay, habang nag-dry siya, ay prepare muna natin yung iba nating ingredients. Alright, na-chop na natin ang ating mga garnishes. So, tingnan natin, balikan natin ang ating karne. Very good. Medyo may pagkamala na siya. So, lagyan na lang natin yan ng oil. So, atin lang itong i-separate. Tapos, lagyan natin ng kaunting vegetable oil. No, I haven't yet.
Yeah, thank you. Where's my wastebasket?
Ay, that no. Alright, so lagyan lang natin ng kaunting, and then we will let it like get warm really or hot before natin i-dagdag yung ating mga other ingredients. Okay, so that one is already seasoning. Uunahin natin ang ating makusgano na. Yan. Hindi makita. So, dapat makita ka. Yan. Basta ganyan. Yan yung ahos natin. Garlic. So, tinatad ko talaga siya. Chinap-chop ko talaga ng maigi para ma-mix siya, makain siya. Kasi itong asawa ko ay hindi kakain ng isang clove na garlic. So, dapat chop-chop talaga siya. Tapos, ito na naman. Yan. Yan yun. Ang bango-bango na. So, atin na itong i-mix. Mabango na siya. Careful lang tayo na hindi natin idiin ba ito dito kasi ito siya ay anti-stick. So, pag natatanggal yan, naka-cancer yung mga chemicals dyan. So, kailangan hindi siya ma-scrape. Scrapey. Yan. So, atin lang siyang i-saute for probably a good 2 minutes or so. Yan, para lang ma-absorb yung taste ng ating onion at saka garlic. Alright. Tapos, lagyan natin ng kaunting bell pepper, red pepper. Pangpa-ano lang siya. Pangpa-taste lang siya. Kunti lang yung asin na gagamitin natin kasi yung ating sauce ay may asin na yan. It's already like flavored. So, kunting-kunti lang talaga. Tapos, i-dab lang natin dyan. Actually, this by itself, pwede na siyang kainin. Parang ginisa ba? But since yung asawa natin, ay naku, kailangan ko palang luto pa ng spaghetti noodles. Pero madali lang naman yan. So, yan. Spaghetti sauce. Yan. Tapos, tingnan nyo, so may ano na siya, may mga other relishes na siya. Tapos, atin lang pa ganito para madami pa yung natira. Ito ay may roasted garlic, parmesan sauce. So, yun, may cheese na siya. Ito yung paborito ni Cory. Diba ang spaghetti sa atin ay pababa lang. Joke. Spaghetti sa atin ay spaghetti sauce lang na pula yung ginagamit, tomato sauce. Dito sa amin, ito ang sister ko ang nag-introduce nito. Linalagyan yung Alfredo sauce because it really tastes good. So, ilagay lang natin yan dyan. Yan. Para siyang Saturn, Alam niyo ba yung Saturn, guys? Saturn is one of the outer planets. Yung Venus, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, yun yung solid planets. Meaning, makakalanding ka doon. So, after Mars, meron na tayong Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus. Yun ay mga gas planets. Meaning, hindi ka makatindig doon kasi puro lang sila gas, puro lang hangin. At may mga methane na hangin, may mga pang combination ng hangin doon. Methane, ethane, yung ganun. So, pag sindihan mo ay kakalayo yun. Mga planets na yun. Kasi wala ba itong takip? At nata-splash siya. Okay, don't splash please. Nasaan na yung takip mo? Walang takip. So, itong ating ginagang baboy ay kailangan natin i-transfer sa container kasi magluluto ako ng spaghetti noodles. Alright, tapos na natin nahugasan yung rice cooker natin. So, i-transfer na lang natin itong ating vegetable soup dito. Guys, alam nyo yung vegetable dapat hindi nalalanta pag linuluto natin kasi nawawala yung vitamins niya. Pag masyadong malanta yung ating vegetable. But oh well. Kasi akala ko dadating si Corey kaagad. So, yun. Pero na-traffic daw siya. So, balik na lang natin ito dito. And then, transfer natin yung soup. Hugasan natin itong ating kaldero para makaluto tayo ng... Hugasan ko muna yung kaldero. Alright, so nahugasan na natin ang ating kaldero at linagyan na natin ng kaunting tubig. So, we are just going to boil this one. Ipa-boil lang siya natin before natin ilagay yung ating spaghetti noodles. And for the meantime, yan. Ta-da-da! Yan. Wee! Tapos, itong natira ay atin nang Tapos ito. Yan. Tapos, itapon na natin yan. Tapos ito, lalagyan lang natin kasi sayang naman, ang dami pang naiwan. Lagyan natin ito ng tubig. Kunti lang. Tapos i-shake. Shake. Body dancer. Shake. Yan. I-shake lang natin para hindi masayang yung ating spaghetti sauce. Tadang! Yan. Tapos, pakuluan ulit and then, done. Pakulo. Dapat watchful tayo kasi, siya overcook ba? Tapos, magiging, yung, ano ba yung Tagalog sa overcook? Okay lang kung ma-overcook. Masunog ba? Yung sa ilalim masunog. So, dapat, palagi talaga natin sinistir. Isalang na natin yung ating spaghetti pababa. Alam nyo guys, may binili ako na vacuum para sa ating pagkain. Ito, vacuum sealer. Paano ito? Oh, it needs to be charged. Yan eh. Yan. Hugasan ko muna yung kamay ko. Okay. So, gagamitan natin ang ating mga vegetables ng ganito. Ang gusto ko dito guys ay kasi reusable siya. So, itong ating repolyo. Yan. Ay atin lang ilalagay dito sa loob para ma-preserve siya. Isi-save lang muna ito. Pumasok ko kasi. So, yan. Sealed na yan. Tapos, para ma-preserve yung freshness, ay ating i-vacuum. Yan, kumukulo na yung tubig natin. So, what we're going to do is, prepare na natin ang ating spaghetti pababa. So, lagyan natin ng kaunting-kaunti lang talaga na asin. Yan. Tapos, lagyan din natin ng kaunting-kaunti na oil. And the reason for that is for yung ating spaghetti ay para hindi magdikit-dikit. Siyempre, I already touched everything. So, maghuhugas na naman ako. Ang arte ko talaga. Habang kumukulo na siya, ito na yung ating spaghetti pababa. Yung gagamitin natin. But, kaunti lang yung lulutuin ko kasi mas pipiliin ko pa yung sabaw ko kaysa dito. Cut mo lang yung 2 beses and then, yan, pakuluin ng probably 4 minutes.
Is this inside? Let's see.
Yan. Maluto ka na please. Malapit ng 11:00 ng gabi. Oh, that's so cool. Yan yung pa-preserve ng ating mga vegetables. This is reusable. We can just put
Are you
it.
sure? Is
Yeah.
that what it says?
We can just put it in the dishwasher.
To the viewers, I don't understand this.
It would make sense if like you
Here.
throw every
See?
plastic every time
We
you
gotta
use
do
it.
this.
It's expensive.
That right there, that's your problem. Did you see that, everyone?
Next is this one because this is so fast and they do this disintegrates so fast, so that's awesome. Itong kalamunggay, not kalamunggay, but
So what's
potato
this?
tops.
Put this in the plastic.
To preserve the freshness.
What is that stuff?
Oh, sweet potato chips.
There, isn't it beautiful? Look at that.
So you tell them why, when, and how.
What? All the time washing your hands?
Yeah,
Because the cats will get on. The cats will get on.
wrong.
That's.
So kahit na ibang parte ng katawan ko ay ang dumi-dumi basta ang kamay ko, okay lang naman na madumi yung kamay as long as you don't touch your food. Pero pag nagtatouch sa food, kailangan talaga malinis yung kamay. Yan, ito na siya. So, lagay lang natin yan. Fresh, it can stay forever and ever. Fresh. Ito na. Oh, dooby-dooby-doo. I think I overcooked the spaghetti noodles. At ready na yung ating saucelings. Yan. Gusto ng asawa ko yung runny talaga yung sauce niya. So, yan. Ganito kami mag-prepare ng spaghetti, guys. Dito sa Amerika, yung noodles hindi namin minimix dito kasi ito magagamit pa. So, lagay lang natin yan dyan. And then, dadalhin natin ito doon sa ating table. Okay, before I will serve you your spaghetti, you need to eat at least vegetable. Ito yung ginagawa ko sa asawa ko, guys, kasi hindi kakain ng vegetable. So you eat the vegetable first, and I'm putting a little bit pork over here. Pipiliin ko lang yung karne na walang taba kasi, ay, nako. So ito yung,
Oh, 1 second.
ito yung share niya. Oh, my back hurts. I don't have a spoon. I'll just use this. Oh, my back hurts so bad.
Oh my.
You sound
Look at
bad.
how tired I am because I ate a full plate of spaghetti. I'm just.
Yeah, that means you have to
I
get
can't.
a sit up or start walking for 30 minutes.
Well, I gotta take.
You still have enough time because you're going to clean the kitchen anyway.
No, not if I run. I don't have enough of these left.
My back hurts so bad. Oh,
It's
my
whatever you
back.
want to do.
Huh?
Whatever you want to do.
Before you leave, like, can you massage my back? It's like really hurting right now.
For 10 minutes, I can't stay any longer. I think I'm done with this now. Sorry, I did my best. Did my
By the
best.
way,
everyone. Huh?
the stove and
Do what now?
the microwave been splashed with your sauce.
You're blaming my sauce. Don't blame the sauce. They didn't do anything. Right?
Can you please drink water, boy?
Yeah, something.
Oh, my back.
Yeah, I know you're back. I can't do it. What about this? Has that been used?
Yeah, I use that.
Okay. Yeah.
I can reuse it because I don't like to drink the bottled water from the bottle.
Well, we won't put it right on the. We'll put it here. I don't know what to do with some of this stuff. What is this?
Huh? Those, everything needs to be washed. I think I'm done.
So does this go in the? Does that go in here?
No, it needs to go to a container, and then
Do we have a container?
we have a lot of containers.
Where? Where are your containers? And this is garbage, right?
Can I have the glass, please? Oh, that one did. Yeah, we can throw that.
Can that go in here?
No, probably we'll just throw it outside directly.
Or here? There you go.
Or I can just go home with you, and then we will just dry the clothes tomorrow. the second load that I put in.
Whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do.
My back really hurts.
Oh, look at all this. Look. This would be for cereal. I don't know if that's high. This is high enough. I mean, you can always change. Whatever, you know.
Yeah.
It's wherever you want to put. What does this come from?
Freezer.
The freezer?
Did you wash it?
I want. Yeah. Which one? What are you talking about?
Yeah, just put it all the way.
Maybe, I don't know.
I don't know. All I know is that I'm in pain and I don't like to be alone. Is it okay if I lie down for?
Yeah.
Hi guys. Sorry, I just woke up. Good morning dito sa amin. Good evening dyan sa atin sa Philippines. Andito ako ngayon sa aming bagong bahay. Dito ako natulog kasi ang sakit talaga ng likod ko kahapon after nagbi-video ako. Kate ng ilong ko. Excuse me. So I made a series of videos tapos puputulin ko na lang. But anyway, ito po yung parte ng aking video. I hope manonood kayo para lang sa watch hour ko. Please, 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 please. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye-bye.